So today is Igbo Woman League organizing a 5K run. As you can see, everything is going well. It's awesome. Awesome. All the kids are out having fun here. Okay. I saw 10K, but
I'm 10K.
10K. Wow, nice. Yeah. Now. Next one.
I'm a political also.
What 10K got 20K one?
Up at 20K.
Chineke na.
Hi, honey.
Then.
Thank you. Who's your mom, sweetie? What's your mom's name?
Hey guys, how's it going there? Yeah? Yeah, okay.
Why are you cussing? You're like so... I don't want to turn it.
Oh, Mema, the one who makes all things beautiful.
Hi guys. You guys relaxing?
I testify of your good works. Odogu, Odogu, yesterday, today, forever. You never change on.
So how did you say about today's 5K?
Oh, well, I'm so happy to be here, you know, bringing the kids out to play.
Yeah.
So good.
It was awesome. Well,
Yes.
thanks for coming.
You're welcome. Well, I'm part of the Igbo Women League.
Oh, that's you guys are really
Organized it,
trying.
yes.
You guys are
We're
really trying.
trying.
Wonderful. Hey guys. What's up? How you doing? That looks like your sister too. How you doing? How do you guys see today's run? It's good? Awesome. So, Kekun's Wafutata.
Oh,
look at the 5K.
Very beautiful.
Yeah?
Thank God.
Yeah, by Igbo Women League, Minnesota. You guys are doing awesome though. Very awesome. Very awesome. Dalu? I know. The weather was bright too. I don't know about 20K.
15 pounds.
Good? I heard they ran 20K today, right? Is it 20 or 10 or 5?
5.
Good job, good job.
It was easy.
Yeah, it was easy, I know. Radika, so how do you see today's run? Was it okay?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
So how many, is it 5 or 10 or 20K was it?
5K.
5K. It was a 5K. Well done. I saw you run and you did a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how did you see today's run? Was it something, I learned I heard you ran first, right? Were you the first or second? First. Awesome job. Great job. Keep it up, okay? Hi girls.
Hi.
So how did it go today?
Good.
Was it awesome? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
No.
What? Don't say that. It's good for you though. It's healthy, no?
Yeah.
We only started eating.
Hi guys. So how do you see today's run? Is this something you like?
Yeah.
How was it?
It was fun.
Was fun?
energizing.
Yeah. So
A lot of exercise.
a lot of exercise. So you say it was organized by the Igbo Women League of Minnesota.
Yeah.
And I saw you running so well. Good job.
Thank you.
You're eating already? So how did you see? How did you see today's run? Is this something you cherish?
Today is so awesome. The weather is fine. The children are
Cooperating too, yeah?
Yes.
And you guys were the one that organized it, Igbo Women
Igbo Women League of
of Minnesota. You guys are doing awesome by bringing our kids out,
Thank you.
you know, having fun.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
I
Yeah,
really enjoyed it.
I know. I enjoyed it too.
Yes.
Kevi when you come back this run today.
The weather,
Yeah.
yeah, so we've all lost a few pounds.
I know.
Today. Yes.
It was a 5K
and
run
our
today.
Blood pressure lower.
Right. Yeah, lower. Yeah.
Cholesterol lower.
Everything
our
good.
Skin glowing.
Everything good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Wanya melu biko lotogo ogomo melu gimo medabamo melu gimo medabamo melu ginjo pawalo mozo inugo no magama ewu meike wuchimu ife mbolo nyaka mmebi egu mukamu netiyi inanuke ekunala nenu ekoselu n'ọdịbende na-alụsi ọrụ ike mgbame ụmụ obili Igbo abịagobe akwụ enu n'aka mmụ na-ebe ịnanụ ka mmụ na-ekwu akwụ enu n'aka mmụ na-ebe olisa akụ nwa fọrọ mmụ na-ekwu mụ na okpu ọsọ nwanne m n'ife Chukwu kwuru ka anyị na-eme ozi ọma nya ka anyị ga-eji ewu mee ewu chi m ịma na ọdịbende na-alụsi ọrụ ike ntị ewu mee ewu Chukwu ntị ewu mee ewu Chukwu agwalele nya ka mmụ na-ebe n'ife Chukwu kwuru na nya ya emere olisa ewe olisa Chukwu ntị ka nkọlụ gị akịkọ ịnanụ ka mmụ na-ekwu ịnanụ ka mmụ na-ebe akwa ịfụ na ọ ga-amaka mma onye fụlụ ọkọnya mebe ịnanụ ka egwu na-ara n'Igbo unavuga egwu ka o si ara unavuga egwu ka o si ara ya owe unavuga egwu ka o si ara ya owe n'elu n'egwu ka o si ara ya ego ịbabụ owe unanuga egwu ka o si ara ya owe akịkọ nya ka mmụ ji abịa ịnanụ ka mmụ na-ekwu ọ bụ na mmadụ meeli ka ife dị mma nwanne valụkwa anya maka na ime velu ya ịdọ nke ya onye mmanye ya wee bịa welu nwayọ pịka onye mma nwanne nge na-akwa eme ịnanụkwu n'umu eziokwu nye ka mmụ na-ekwu n'onwelobu ọhịa ịmụ nwoke anyị niile dị ewe mmekọ ụmụnwaka mgbe anyị na-emekọ ụmụnwaka nna ihe nwere ego ma ncha anyị wegova akwụkwọ wegosịa yunivasiti weluwo ka anyị chọba ọlụ ịmakwulise enwela ọlụ ma ncha ọkpọ ma akụ nwafọ na-aga m ejegwa obodo oyibo nluwe obodo oyibo gbava mbọ na chimu ya enyelụ m aka mkpata ego wee nata mgbe afọ mviche na mmanya mmiri mkpata ego wee nata mgbe afọ mviche na mmanya mmiri nsị mkpata ego wee nata na ụmụnne m ga-adị ka mmadụ n'elu anya na nna m enwele ego ma ncha maka n'elu anya na nne m enwele ego Igbo Mwekusi nyawoku anya mmiri weju mmiri mkpọnye ezigbo ọhịa m ị ga-eje n'obodo